Yes, people, back again with another video. As you already know, do this every week. Well, I try to do this every week. And the last couple of weeks I've been fucking slacking, but we're back. Okay, January, we're back. I took a fat L in January. We're down fucking like 30k this month, so yeah, not the best, but we will get back on the horse and see what we can do. So yeah, with that being said, we're going to crack down on the markets. Next week is going to be a big week, and see you guys in the analysis. With the analysis of the week. Okay, so we're on GBP USD as we always do. Usually start on the FX pairs. We've been trading heavily gold for the last few months. FX pairs not too much. I'm trying to move away from FX. I might start on indices, but I'm not confident enough yet to go over and make that jump, so we're going to stick to gold and these main three currency pairs. But for what we have here on GBP USD, for me, what I can see here is we've obviously switched bearish on the daily time frame. Clearly we've taken out this low, which was the most previous low, taken out. We're looking to come down and take out these lows as well. There's a lot of liquidity laying down here. We already swept this low, came back up and retested this zone and dropped again. So we could look for a retest now somewhere around here again, anywhere around this zone, for price to continue to make its way back down again. We should probably look for like a head and shoulders as well, realistically within the 4-hourly time frame, which I'll have a look and see if there is something like that now. So we do kind of have a head. We do have a head and shoulders. It's not kind of, we go on here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke the neckline, came back up, retested the neckline, and then dropped. That's already head and shoulders. A trade could have been taken from anywhere inside of here. Obviously we wasn't trading that, but we've got this level here as a resistance level and this level here as a resistance level for price to come back up and retest. It already kind of has done that and given us a nice bearish engulfing on the Friday time frame, so price could just continue to drop, and in that case we'd look for something off of this zone here, which would be quite nice. So if it does come down, to retest off this level to then continue down. That is probably what I'll be looking for, to be honest with you. I think we've already come back up, made that leg up, and we've just dropped down, give us a nice bearish engulfing. If we break this level, 100% we're looking to retest off this zone once we fully break it and make our way back up. So for GBP USD, we're bearish as of now. It makes sense because gold, we got fucking wrecked because gold, there's quite a lot of news coming out. Hadn't had news in a while because government shut down and stuff like that, so gold's been getting wrecked. USD's been getting stronger, especially with what Trump is doing at the moment. So yeah, price has obviously dropped. I'm thinking price will continue to drop. Euro USD, the exact same. Price moves the same. If you look at all my videos, so the analysis I do for these pairs are basically the exact same. Only thing that is different is the entries, but we've had this massive drop off. I think price come back up, retested. I think price will potentially continue to drop. Could be seeking liquidity all the way down here to take this stuff out, or just price just continue to make its way down. So we're looking for shorts on both. It just depends on entries, which obviously they'll be in the Telegram, so make sure you're in the Telegram if you want to see the entries and what we take. GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, I mean, looking at the daily time frame, I'm still bullish. We are coming down and retesting this position here. There's a massive push up, so realistically, if anything, I'm waiting for a rejection off of anywhere inside in here. If we do break this level here, then I'll switch to my bias to bearish and then look for something to make its way down. But while we're still within inside of this range, for me, price is still bullish. So it could reject off here, could reject off here, anywhere inside this level here. I still think price is going to continue to make its way back up. So for GJ, we're still just waiting again as well. Nothing amazing. So yeah, be patient, wait for price to reject, to give us a nice strong rejection anywhere inside here. So he wants to show he wants to continue going up. If we do break this level, then we've switched our bias to bearish, so don't be trading longs underneath this level. And then gold, the one that absolutely chopped us up last week. I thought price was going to continue to push higher. It didn't, and it chopped us. It swept all this liquidity that it built just down here, all this liquidity here. It come down, tapped into it again. This is all part of the liquidity, and then it absolutely swept it all and come its way back up. So gold has been, yeah, playing with my emotions, definitely. last week was a very had a lot of emotions in my trade last week, which caused me to lose a lot. I revenge traded. I did quite a lot of shit that I shouldn't have done, but it is what it is, and we move on. There's no point in dwelling on past mistakes. So this is where I basically got chopped when I was trading inside here. I did have longs on inside this area, and I got stopped out from these. And price did sweep back up, in which I got in on other shorts because I thought it would reject. Price continued up. When we did hit these highs, I got in on longs again, and price came back down and stopped us out. And yeah, we got absolutely crunched. So that is unfortunate, but it is what it is. With gold right now, what I'll probably be looking for is longs. I'm expecting price to continue to make its way back up since we have swept these lows now. But I would definitely like to see price break above these highs here before we do look to take any longs. So these ones here, I know on the smaller time frame, it's just consolidating. There's not really much you can do in terms of trading this unless you want to try and top tick, bottom tick these zones, but it's pointless. It's consolidating right now. You need stuff like this. It's giving you clean fucking movement or clean movement to the downside, but it's not. It's just completely consolidating sideways movement right now. No one really knows what they're doing, so no wonder I got chopped up. And yeah, unfortunately that's just been a part of January's price action. So for gold, yeah, I don't really have anything at the minute in terms of trading gold. It's just going sideways, so just stay patient. I mean, wait for it to break. I'm expecting it to rally. I think we'll hit 5,000 at some point, not to say when, but yeah, it's not like this at all, is it, where we're getting decent price action. At least it's going up, it's come back down, it's retest, it's going up. No, it's just completely just fucking sideways. So yeah, not too much in terms of that, but just to go over the loss. Started off the month quite nicely, as you can see. 4k, we was up around 2.5k so far on the week from this day and this day, and then yeah, we took way too many trades for one, and we got cooked in terms of losses. So a big fat plummet on the personal side of things for this account. So yeah, it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So with that being said, that is the end of the video. Make sure to join the Telegram. Go and look at the TikTok as well, because I post some of my trades and stuff on there. Telegram is most important though. If you're in there, you're going to catch what I'm trading, if I'm placing trades, and just what to look for. And download the Discipline Playbook, because especially after what happened with me this week, I think the Discipline Playbook is extremely important for you to master just how to handle big losses and stuff like that as well. So make sure you go and get that, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you lot in the next one. Peace.